Think buying potatoes is simple? Think again. Most people don't realize they're making some pretty big mistakes when shopping for this everyday vegetable. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 big mistakes you're probably making when buying potatoes in the USA, and how to fix them. Mistake Route 1. Ignoring the potato variety. Not all potatoes are created equal. Russet, Red, Yukon Gold, Fingerling, each has its purpose. Buying the wrong type for your dish can lead to a soggy mess or an underwhelming bite. Use Russets for baking and frying, Yukon Golds for mashing, and Reds or Fingerlings for roasting and salads. Mistake Route 2. Choosing based on size alone. Bigger does and always mean better. Oversized potatoes may be older and starchier, while smaller ones can be sweeter and more tender. Pick your potatoes based on texture and freshness, not just size. Mistake Route 3. Not checking for damage or sprouts. Those little sprouts or green spots? They're signs the potato is past its prime, and possibly toxic. Always inspect for bruises, cuts, mold, or green patches. Potatoes with sprouts may contain solanine, which can make you sick. Mistake Route 4. Buying in bulk without a plan. Buying the 10-pound sack on sale? Great, unless they rot before you use them. Potatoes have a shelf life. If you're not cooking often, stick to smaller quantities to avoid waste and save money. Mistake Route 5. Storing them incorrectly after purchase. Putting potatoes in the fridge? That's a no-go. Cold temps convert starches to sugar, affecting flavor and texture. Store them in a cool, dark, well-ventilated space, like a pantry, and keep them away from onions. So there you have it, 5 common mistakes that might be ruining your potato game. Make these small changes, and your next meal will taste a whole lot better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart grocery tips and food hacks. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite way to cook potatoes?